back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be dyeing my hair burgundy. Basically, put this inside this, shake it up, and apply it to our hair. And we're gonna leave it in for 25 minutes. Hopefully, it will be burgundy. Everybody knows with box dye, it might come out good, it might come out bad, it might come out a different color. Anyways, let's get started. If you have not watched my hair growth oil video, you should watch that. You can really see the difference in my hair from trying Aussie as a leave-in conditioner and now. It grew almost 2 inches in like almost 2 months. So I'm gonna start at the ends because you know your roots die faster. I'm gonna have red everywhere on my skin. Whew. I'm gonna leave this in for 25 minutes and I will be back.